Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another Niawigs original. Okay, so we are back with Niawigs, honey. So push through with them. And we're coming through with a bob unit. And I'm super excited about this one. So this unit, we know we love a good Niawigs unboxing. This came with our Niawigs brush. This came with our Niawigs wig bag, which they don't have to send you nothing else. If so long as they come through with this. Obviously the unit. The wig cap and bobby pins, okay? So let's go on ahead and take a look at this one. I want you guys to get into this unit, okay? I'm already like excited. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. She is so pretty, okay? This unit has 2 combs in the front. 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps for kind of forever. Don't judge my hands. And look at that lace. Look at that. That is stunning. I just want to go through and just throw her on and see what she's looking like. All right, guys, we are back with the Niawigs original. So I am coming through with the caramel human hair bob wig, lace front wig, okay? And this unit is FIR it, okay? So I have this unit in 12 inches and in a medium size cap, okay? This unit is currently going for $185. Yes, I know you clutched your pearls, you fell out, you fainted, sis. But Niawigs is always running some kind of wonderful promotion, and today is a day like any other. So you can always check out Niawigs.com and get an extra couple coins off there, okay? This is a glueless 13x6 lace front wig. We did go through and lay her down, but that's because I just wanted her to be super seamless, fresh wear up out the scalp, okay? So this is a straight bob. Again, the color is caramel, which is a wonderful color up against my skin. Like, I love it. And the lace color is transparent. Now, I did go through, as you saw, and just darkened her up a bit, but that was just something that I do for me. And I just wanted to get around the perimeter of this lace and just make sure that she was super seamless. I really do love this unit. I really cannot get enough of this color, the way that this hair feels, as well as the thickness. Now, this is super light. She's very summertime fine, okay? So get into her. So I am just going to go through after we've like laid her down and use my Revlon flat irons and just give her a nice little bump, okay? This unit took heat so well. And I know that sounds kind of weird, but sometimes the human hair is so fine that it doesn't take that bump and you have to add a lot of product, and we did not have to do that here at all. So I'm just going through and just getting all those little bumps out so we can have a nice seamless bob. Good night, Niawigs. Good mammy tap night. I ain't even lay no baby hairs. Cause why? Look at her. I just literally came threw her on, laid her down a touch, and look at how she came through for us. I'm so happy with this. I'm giving y'all bobs. I've been coming through with the bobs. Now, again, this unit is a little bit more expensive, but listen now, what you're getting is quality. This hair color is everything. Everything. This hair color makes me so happy, guys. Like, so happy. Look at that. What was the movie? I think it was Jada Pinkett, and she had a wig this color. The Queen, Jada Pinkett, okay? The Queen. What movie was it, y'all? Because I can't remember. Bust down, let me know. That's what Miss Shirt, this is what she is serving. Through and through. Are you into that? Look at how beautiful that is. The way this hair feels is amazing as well. Y'all, I really have nothing left to say. I done came through, provided y'all with this unit. This color is fire. Like, Niawigs. What is, like, y'all can't tell the kid nothing. I'm so in love with this. I feel so sleek and so sexy. Listen now. Niawigs have been coming through and providing mother with wigs, honey. One after the other. And this one is just as fire as the last. They really have yet to put out anything or provide me with anything that I have not been like 10 toes down ready to rep for. Okay? This is fire. This is fire. I just can't. I have nothing else to say to y'all. Like, I legit don't. Like, did y'all see how easy it was to get this together? Easy. Okay? That's what we want to do. Cute little hairstyles. Fresh wear up out the pack. Okay? I just threw her up on my mammy tapping head. That's it. And straightened her out, gave her a cute little bump. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you want to look like... This is so 9th grade. Y'all remember 9th grade? Everybody was dyeing their hair. You know what I mean? Get a little fresh. And maybe not me. But everybody else was dyeing their hair this color, whatever. Y'all remember. Y'all remember, okay? Good night, Niawigs. Good night, Niawigs. And everybody to bleep else. I have nothing left to say to you guys except for check them out. This unit is worth every single last stinking coin. Every single one. I'm outdone. Like, I'm legit outdone. I got to go find something to do. I got to hit the streets so they know what I'm looking like. Okay? So if you have not already, bust down. Get into this fly situation from the Niawigs. And I will see you beautiful mugs later.